Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this tie organizer from B4Life has been the perfect solution to store all of my husband's ties. Now, before we've tried so many different methods, whether it's hanging them, rolling them, and putting them in a drawer or on a shelf, and nothing has seemed to work. But this is the absolutely perfect solution because we're taking up wall space, but we're also displaying them so he can see exactly which prints and colors that he wants to choose from. So this tie rack is made of a beautiful bamboo. You can tell just by the feel of it that it's a really nice quality. I really like the black one because it's very sleek looking, very stylish, and very modern as well. It holds 16 different ties. What's really nice about this tie organizer too is that you can use it flat on a shelf and even stack one on top of another, or you can also mount it against your wall. We chose to mount it in our closet because this gave my husband extremely easy access to his ties. And actually, we love it so much, and he still does have a few ties that were not in this box, so we plan on getting another one to either add down below or next to it for a really nice, beautiful tie display. The bottom of this, as well as the back of each individual slot, has a really nice like felt type feeling. So it doesn't snag your ties. It still keeps them nice and protected. This was extremely easy to install too. My husband did it within just a couple of minutes. It came with the screws and the anchors that you needed to securely fasten it to your wall, which I really appreciated. You can see the prints that you have available, the colors. You can fold them up really nicely so they don't get wrinkled. And I just really think it's such a beautiful tie organizer. This top-notch tie organizer from B4Life has made organizing and choosing ties for my husband so much easier. And that's just our point of view.